Samsung has just unveiled the latest Galaxy Z Fold 4 and it's looking quite impressive. However, the pricing of this device is on the heavier side and probably out of most people's affordable range. Take the iPad mini 6 from Apple for example. At a much lower price, it can deliver plenty of perks that you can get from the Z Fold 4. In this video, we compare them side by side to help you make a good purchasing decision. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 appears sleeker, is more light, and has slimmer hinges than its predecessor. On top of that, the foldable design makes it stand out as you can effortlessly use it in smartphone or tablet mode. Available in 4 colors, this device appears polished and premium in all of them. On the back, we have a triple camera setup, one 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel main sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. So when it comes to clicking or shooting high-resolution photos and videos, Z Fold 4 does it like a charm. Taking a look at the iPad mini 6, it has a body structure of 7.69 inches of height, 5.31 inches of width, and only 0.25 inches of depth, which is Apple's smallest tablet yet. It has only 0.66 pounds of weight that almost feels weightless. You get 4 color variants for this miniature tablet that comprises Space Gray, Purple, Pink, and Starlight. Unlike the Z Fold 4, Mini 6 has a single camera setup with a 12-megapixel wide camera. This, together with Apple AI, makes the camera quite perky for day-to-day usage. Simply put, Z Fold is slightly lighter and has more perks to offer from its ergonomic design. Moving on to the display, Z Fold 4 has 2. The inner one is a 7.6-inch AMOLED screen with a native resolution of 2176 by 1812p and a 120Hz refresh rate. The 6.2-inch outer display also uses a 120Hz AMOLED panel with a native resolution of 2316 by 1218p. Naturally, the brightness and color vibrancy on this thing is orgasmic, and it can peak at about 1000 nits. The Mini 6, on the other hand, has a liquid retina panel with a much bigger screen size of 8.3 inches and 2266 into 1488p resolution. Peak brightness can reach up to 450 nits, and the decent DCI-P3 color coverage also looks vibrant. So, in terms of screen real estate, iPad mini 6 has much more to offer. With that being said, let's take a look at the specs. Under the hood, the base Galaxy Z Fold 4 packs a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor coupled with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. We also have a 4400 mAh battery to power this thing up, which supports 25 watts of fast charging. The device runs on Android 12 and combined with the new taskbar multitasking will be even better on this device. iPad mini 6 on the other hand is powered by Apple's 5nm A15 Bionic chip with up to 256GB of internal storage. It also has 5G wireless connectivity and an estimated battery backup of up to 10 hours through its 5078 mAh battery. Undoubtedly, the A15 Bionic is a well-optimized chip that outrivals the Android counterpart. Last but not least, their pricing. Although you'll get plenty of high-end components in the Z Fold 4, it's a bit on the pricier side given its $1,800 price tag. Base iPad mini 6 on the other hand starts at about $500 and has enough specs to get the job done. If you can care less about the price, go for the Z Fold 4 as your go-to Android tablet. Otherwise, if you want to save up some bucks and deepen that Apple ecosystem, then the iPad mini 6 will be enough for you. So, that was all about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 versus iPad mini 6 debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.